All right, listen up, y'all. I'm y'all substitute teacher, Mr.
Joe Schmo.
I taught school for 20 years in the inner city, so don't even think about messing with me. Y'all feel me? Okay, let's take a roll here.
Carriar. Where's Carriar at? No Carriar here?
Yeah.
Do you mean
Carrier?
Okay, so that's how it's gonna be. Y'all wanna play? Okay, then. I've got my eye on you.
Carriar. Terrain.
Where is...
Terrain. There's just no terrain here today.
Yes, sir.
My name's
Train.
Are you out of your damn mind?
Terrain.
What? Do you wanna go to war?
Terrain?
Because we could go to war.
no.
I'm for real. I'm for real. So you better check yourself.
Lennox. Lennox? Is there a Lennox?
If one of y'all says some silly ass name, this whole class is gonna feel my wrath.
Now, Lennox.
do you mean
Lennox?
Son of a bitch! You say your name right now.
Lennox?
Say it right.
Lennox?
Correctly.
Lennox?
Right.
Lennox?
Right.
Lennox?
That's better. Thank you. Now,
AAON?
where are you?
Where is AAON right now? No AAON?
Huh? Well, you better be sick, dead, or mute.
AAON?
Here. Oh, man. Why didn't you answer me the first time I said it, huh?
Huh?
I'm just asking, I said it like 4 times. So why didn't you say it the first time I said
AAON.
Because it's pronounced.
AAON?
son of a bitch! You done messed up?
AAON?
Now take your ass on down to Oshag Hennessy's office right now and tell him exactly what you did.
Who?
Oshag Hennessy!
Principal O'Shaughnessy?
Get out of my damn classroom before I break my foot off in your ass! Insubordinate and churlish.
Rude.
Present.
Thank you.